So you're a brand new streamer, you're looking for designs, and then you try to find something kind of cheap. So you go on Fiverr, Nerd or Die, or Own.tv. You end up buying something that looks pretty cool, looks pretty professional, and you decide to put it on your stream. And this is what it looks like. Let's talk about that. What's up, homies? It's your boy Hooji TV coming right back at you with another stream help video. I had a lot of fun doing the last one, and I'm very glad I'm making the second one, and I'm probably going to be making a lot more of these videos in the future. So I go around Twitch and check a lot of other small channels just like mine, and I just look at the channels, and the first three things I really look at is audio, webcams, and the graphics. The audio, of course, as I've said before in the last video, which will be here? Somewhere. It'll be somewhere. It makes or breaks a stream, and it can either bring in viewers or repel viewers. So please be aware of that, and please check out my last video to get a little bit more in depth to that, and I might make a video a lot more in depth in the audio later. 2, a webcam. You don't need a webcam, but it will help your numbers, like I've said before. Also help your lighting. Look at this lighting. This is lighting. Good lighting. And the last thing, the thing that's what I'm kind of making this video on is your graphics and your aesthetics. Basically, simplicity is key. You don't want to have someone jump into your stream and just see constant demographics everywhere. I can hop in a stream and see like this, all this. Obviously, I can just take off some of these things, get rid of. You can still have this, but this part down here, it takes up a lot of the screen, and it's very distracting because 1, it's animated, and 2, it's just there. It's taking up what, a good percentage of the screen. It might not be taking that much, but it is still a good percentage. So honestly, even like just simplicity is key. Not the camera, I meant to take off the other thing. Simplicity is key, really true. It might still look like too much even with not this. I like having things on my camera, but look at popular streamer Tin the Tap Man. I was just watching his stream like earlier today, and I noticed that he has simplistic graphics with all of his demographics all on his webcam. So that is really showing you right there. It really lessens the distractions on your stream so people can actually focus into it. Another tip for your webcam, make sure your eyes are pointing towards the webcam. Humans naturally watch the eye line of the human they're watching, subconsciously. So just mirror your camera to face towards the stream instead of away from it. That was a wonderful thought from, graphics designer Smooth Train. So check him out. Be sure to hop on my stream Tuesday and Thursdays and Sundays, 7 p.m. twitch.tv/HoojiTV. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more of these videos, and let me know in the comments what you want to see, what you want help on. So thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. See you on stream.
No, it's the one under the bridge.
Oh, okay. So I was gonna say I hit it with 2 RPGs already.
How? Where? From where?
Oh my god.
Do I look like a mechanic to you, bro?
No, you look like a fucking dum-dum head.
Ooh.
He be spitting though. Jake really be spitting though.